Hi.
Hi.
I'm Salvatore.
And I'm Nina from a Sasto restaurant in Swellendam. And today we're going to be showing you how to make tortello pasta, which we're filling with an aubergine and basil base.
Yeah, it's gonna be basically a reinterpretation of a traditional Sicilian dish, that is pasta alla norma, that is normally made with aubergine, deep fried aubergine, tomato sauce, traditional salsa pomodoro, and basil, and at the end the pasta is ready to be served. Just a little bit of smoked cheese on top, and that's it.
To start with the pasta, if you're using a pasta rolling machine, obviously you need to get it thin enough to start in the machine.
Okay, let's start. You can see the dough is nice and yellow because in this recipe we use 300 grams of flour, 3 egg yolks, and only 1 egg. So that's why it's so yellow and nice. And now that the dough is rolled, we can start cutting 5-6 centimeters.
Taglio io di qua. So the filling for the pasta that we made is made with aubergine, as I said before, and the way we made it was to use whole aubergine, which you prick a few holes in, and you cook it with some olive oil, some thyme, some garlic, and some salt, and then you wrap it in foil. And then you cook it in the oven at a lowish temperature, I'd say about 160.
Yeah, no more than 180.
Yeah, for about an hour and a half. Once they're cooked, so they're soft to the touch, you remove from the oven, you let them cool down slightly so they're cool enough to handle, but you don't want it to be too cold. Because the warmer they are when you work with them, the easier it is to remove the water content, because otherwise it sucks the water back in and then it's quite difficult to get rid of it. So you chop them by hand after you've peeled the inside out, and then you need to put them in some cheesecloth. So you can choose whether you want to pre-make the balls of the filling, or you can actually put it in a piping bag, depending on what you find easier to do. Close our pasta with water.
But you just need to moisten
just the edges.
Yeah.